In the heart of the Luberon, nestled between gentle hills and endless vineyards, lies a hidden gem. This is Lourmarin, one of the most beautiful villages in France. Its narrow streets, lined with golden stone houses, whisper stories of centuries past. Every corner, every fountain seems to carry a secret waiting to be discovered. Nearby, the Church of Saint-André and Saint-Trophime blends Romanesque and Gothic architecture, simple, yet profoundly rooted in local history. Writer Albert Camus found refuge here, far from the noise of the world. He now rests in the village cemetery, alongside author Henri Bosco. Lourmarin is a place of silence, of inspiration. Lourmarin is a village of artists, a place to wander, to reflect. Art galleries, ceramic studios, bookstores, and cafes make it a cultural haven in the heart of Provence. On Friday mornings, the village comes alive with the market. The scent of thyme, honey, and olives fills the air. Local producers share their craft with warmth and passion. In the narrow streets, tables spill onto sunlit terraces. Here we slow down. The food is colorful, local. The wine, always generous. Surrounding Lourmarin, the landscapes unfold like impressionist paintings. Olive groves, vineyards, rolling hills shaped by time and wind. Lourmarin is more than a village, it's a moment of peace, a ray of golden light, an invitation to live differently. See you soon in Provence. Overlooking the village, the Chateau de Lourmarin stands proudly. Built in the 15th century, 15th century, it was one of the first Renaissance castles in Provence. Today it hosts concerts, exhibitions, and artists' residencies. If you enjoyed this trip to Lourmarin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and activate the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming discoveries. Thank you for traveling with me, and see you soon for another stopover.